So you want to do screen recording on the Nothing Phone 3A or any other recent Nothing phone released in the market out there. The first question is screen recording built into it? Yes. Screen recording is built into Nothing OS. Here is how to go about using it. Swipe down twice from the top edge of your phone. Tap this edit icon. Scroll down and look for screen record. You can see it right here, screen record. And if you tap it, it's added here. Here it is. Depending on the space available in your quick settings, it might be added somewhere else, but it's added here. This is the icon so that you can recognize it anytime. Now that it's here, all you have to do is tap on the back arrow here, and then you're back to your quick settings menu. If you come down, this is what to press in order to do a screen record. And let me show you. When you tap on this, the app asks you, do you want to record your screen? And then it gives you two options. Record one app, record this screen. What are the differences between these two? Record one app allows you to select just one app that will be recorded. For example, you can select your YouTube app. While a video is playing on YouTube, you're recording the screen. If you move away from the YouTube app, the phone will not record anything else that shows on your screen. If you move away from the YouTube app and go to your email app, go to your messaging app, go to your web browser, those other apps will not be recorded. If you go back to YouTube, it will continue to record the YouTube app. The second option, record the screen. What that does is whatever is on your screen. If you swipe down, the swiping down will be recorded. If you go into your app drawer, that will be recorded. If you go into another app, that will be recorded. Whatever you do on the screen will be recorded. This second option, record the screen. Now, regardless of which option you select, the option to record the audio from the device is there. So for example, if a video is playing with audio and you want the audio from that to be recorded as well, you select this. If you don't, if you want only the video without audio, just leave it alone. If you're demonstrating something to your audience and you want your taps and touches on the screen to register in the recording, to be visible in the recording because you're demonstrating something. Like in this video now, I'm demonstrating something. So I might want people to know when I tap on this, when I press on that, then you select this. If you don't need it, you leave it alone, grayed out. When you are done with these options, the next thing is to go to record screen. Take note, when you're recording your entire screen, anything displayed on your screen is recorded, so be careful with things like passwords, payment details, messages, photos, audio, and video. I'm going to demonstrate this. I want to record without audio and showing touches on the screen. Record screen. And then I'm doing this. While the recording is going on, you will see this counter in red with a red background, white text, red background. That's the recording counter. To stop recording, tap on it, and then the question, stop recording. You're currently recording your entire screen. You tap on that, and the recording ends. You will see this icon now. That screen recording icon, it's just in white. If you scroll down, you will see a notification of the recording you have done. Tap to view, and you select whatever app you want to open it with. And this is our recording. You can see a small light circle where my finger registers touch on the screen because I selected that. The recording is always found in your gallery. So if you go to your gallery app and go under video, that's our recording. That is how to do screen recording on the Nothing Phone 3A, 3A Pro, 4A, 4A Pro, and 3. I am not certain about the older models, but all Nothing Phone models from 3A and newer all support screen recording that works like this. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like it, do share it, follow my channel, turn on your notifications. I look forward to seeing you again.